Hello, okay. So we're going to look at the tax on this very website again today. We're going to know how to perform some tax and what the advertiser actually needed. Because most times there is what the advertiser need. All taxes are done differently. Maybe the advertiser wants you to visit the website and they spend some minutes. Most times, well, at most 60 seconds before you open another page. So then at the end of the day, the advertiser also will want you to bring a proof. So we're going to look at it now. We're going to perform a task on the part of this very website now. We're going there now. I open my Chrome. Okay, let's go. Yeah, when you open your own, you should be seeing it like this, like time box. Yeah, from this time box you see tax. Open tax. Yes, you see tax. This submission, this put that you are talking about tax. Now open tax. Then you look here, you see there are series of tasks. Different these things are tasks, work you can perform. You see, this is work, yes. Different works here. We're going to pick one. Let's perform one. I'm going to take the first one here. Click to end. Where you see instruction. What the advertiser need. Say, please follow this new step carefully for you to get paid. Please clear your browser cookies. First, open the private browser window. Compulsory. I won't pay if you don't do this. That's the first instruction. The second instruction, go to this very link here, scroll a bit and click on the result title showing Canada Jobs Archives. Scroll down, visit any 3 posts slowly. Please visit all 3 posts for 3 minutes overall, meaning that the posts you are going, the pages here, you're going to spend a minute on each, like 60 seconds. Then, and when you finish the page, you will see a Google advert. Click on Google advert, one Google advert on the 3rd page. Then browse and stay on the advertiser website and visit the About Us page and spend at least 1 minute. What is it saying? That you will spend a minute on that very advertisement. You open it and also check the about the advertisement. There's a place about, you have to search it from the website. Then when you open that place, you say you will spend so you must stay on every page you visit for 60 seconds to get paid. That is 1 minute. So if you are ready, now I say you start the task. Now let's start the task. Now how do we start? You see where they write view. You tap on view. Then this is the informations about the work. Then you see where they write start campaign. You want to start the work now. Tap start. Now the time they give you is, overall time is 30 minutes. So but the advertiser give you 7 minutes. So meaning that you cannot submit this work below 7 minutes. So it's approximately 8 minutes. So you cannot submit it below that time. So meaning that your work, you have to do it and finish it within that. So even if you did not finish it after 8 minutes, there's no problem. But within 30 minutes, you have to submit the work or else it will expire. Now we have read the instruction. Now we're going to follow the first instruction here. Look at what you are going to bring to as a proof instruction. Proof instruction say, please screenshot and submit the third page you visited before you click the Google advertisement. Mean that third page, there is an advert you wanted to click. Before you click that advert, first of all screenshot it with the page. When you screenshot it with the page, before you now click on or tap on the advertisement you want to open. Now, because if you don't do that, you may likely return and the advertisement have left. You will not be able to screenshot again. So before you do that, you screenshot. Then after you have screenshot, then after you click the advertisement, you go to the about page and spend at least 1 minute. Then for inside that about page, you copy the text in the first paragraph of that about us page, and then you saw on the advertisement page and submit it. So you see here, this is where you submit it. This is where you put picture. So the screenshot is for here, the text is for here, text proof and screenshot. So now we are going to, you say both the screenshot and the advert page must match for your task to be approved. So mean that you have to screenshot it before you open it. Now we move. We go to this is the website, and it say where you will look at the title of the work, showing Canada Jobs Archives. That is where we are going now. So we're going to open this very website on Google. Now we go to Google, look at it. As I highlight it now, it brings out Chrome here. So I'm going to tap directly on the Chrome. Yeah. Like a little bit delay. Now, okay, you see it here, Career Juju, Canada Jobs Archives. This is where what we're looking for. Open it. Yeah. Now this is the website. It say we should open 3 pages and spend 60 seconds on each. So you check your time now. The time is 10:53 a.m. Now I tap on one of the works. So I click on study and work in Canada, everything you need to know. That is the one. So I tap on that now. So this is an advert we are not going to use. This is not the advert we are looking for. So we're going to cancel this one. So the page to load, or you go back now. So this is the page. You can now be reading the information if you to know what the place is all about, why the time will be running, the 60 seconds. If you like, you can set a timer. If you can calculate it with your brain, no problem. But then you look at here, you see these are pages, other posts in the website. So but you keep scrolling till the time. Then after that, you see previous article, you see next article. We cannot take previous article, beginner's guide, how to completely migrate to Canada. Now you can take that, or you can choose any of these. Let's say apply now, farm worker job in Canada as a lottery. So you can use any of them. You can choose, okay, let me take that. Is a website. Now we are on it. This is the second page. We have gotten the first page now. This is a Google advert. We are not going to use. This is the second page because the advertiser say on the third page. So the third page is where we are going to look at. The third page. Now this is the third page, and the third page we'll look at it there. On the third page. We're going to be looking at it on the third page. Okay. Now I'm going to take another one. Now, hiring immediate administrative assistant job in Canada at Newton Gas Limited. So I'm taking this as the third one now. Yes, we have gotten the 3 pages now. On this third page now, Yes, you can see an advert has popped up here now. You see the advert, you say open, this is an advert. So most time this advert, most of them don't normally have about us page, but they have contact us. So now these ones are adverts. You can see them popping up. You see them advert. You say open. All these things we are seeing writing up here is advert. These ones they are advert. This advert. So it is the advertiser said you should screenshot the advertisement before you open it. So on the page now, I'm going to be taking one of the advert here. Okay, I'm going to screenshot this one. I'm going to screenshot this one now. I have screenshot it now. So now I have gotten one proof. Then that is the first proof. You say there was a screenshot. Then I open the advert now. Yes, this is the the advert. So this is an advert. It say when you open it, you should look for about us page. So the advertisers about us page, you have to look for it. Let me open menu. Yeah, there's a little bit here because the language there here is not, I cannot read this language. I don't know the language they use there, so I have to look for another now. Okay, another advert just popped up here. I'm going to use this one now. I'm going to use this one. Yes, I'm going to use this very one. I need to screenshot this very one. Now I screenshot on this one. So I open this one now too, because the advertiser is very specific. He say he need you to copy the first paragraph of about us page of this very website. So this one now, and I'll go to this menu, this three lines here, and look for it. So we only have, you see it here, we have about, you see it about, you see contact. So we are looking for about here. Now we'll tap on about us page. You see about us. Then I tap about us. That's what the advertiser require. So this is it now. This is the first paragraph here. He said we should bring it as a proof. Then I copy. I've copied it now. So what do I need to do? I'll go to these three dots here. Go back to history. These are the pages I visited, the 3 pages and the advert. Then I'll go back to time. Well, it's loading. So we have already, so now I call test proof. You go to inside test proof, you paste that about us. See, then you go to browse image. This is the picture we screenshot. Then you tap and say done. So it has entered now. Then you have to submit for approval. Submit. Yes, the work has been submitted. The work has been submitted. Yes. So that is for this very one.